everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Auto Luxury Vehicle. Today, we have an icon, a car that needs no introduction but deserves all the attention. Say hello to the Porsche 911 Carrera S. This latest iteration of the legendary 911 stays true to its roots while embracing modern technology and performance. So, is this the perfect everyday sports car? Let's find out. At first glance, the 911 Carrera S keeps the classic 911 shape we all love, but with subtle refinements. The front bumper gets a slightly revised look with larger air intakes for improved aerodynamics. The LED matrix headlights, inspired by the Porsche Mission R concept, give it a futuristic yet unmistakably 911 presence. Along the sides, we have the signature wide rear haunches, now more pronounced, giving the car an aggressive stance. And in the back, the full-width LED light bar remains, but with a cleaner design. The active rear spoiler deploys for added downforce when needed. Porsche has truly mastered the art of evolution rather than revolution. The Carrera S rides on 20-inch front and 21-inch rear wheels, wrapped in ultra-sticky tires for maximum grip. And check out those massive red calipers behind the wheels, so those are Porsche's legendary brakes, ready to stop this beast on a dime. Now, let's talk power. Under the rear deck lid, we have a 3.0-litre twin-turbocharged flat-six engine. It produces 450 horsepower and 405 pounds-to-feet of torque, sending power to the rear wheels through an 8-speed PDK dual-clutch transmission. 0 to 60, just 3.3 seconds. And if you opt for the 7-speed manual, you can still hit 60 in around 3.7 seconds, because who doesn't love a good stick shift? The throttle response is instant, the shifts are lightning fast, and the sound, whoa, that signature flat-six growler is music to any enthusiast's ears. And Porsche's active exhaust lets you choose between civilized cruising and full-on symphony mode. This is where the 911 Carrera S truly shines at handling. The steering is precise, the feedback is pure, and thanks to rear wheel steering, this thing feels like it shrinks around you. Whether you're attacking corners or cruising the highway, it's composed, confidence-inspiring, and just perfect. Porsche's PASM, Porsche Active Suspension Management, adapts to every road condition, giving you the best balance between comfort and performance. And with the optional Sport Chrono package, you get dynamic engine mounts, launch control, and an even sharper driving experience. Step inside, and the 911 Carrera S welcomes you with a mix of tradition and innovation. The driver-focused cockpit features a fully digital instrument cluster, except for one thing: the analog tachometer stays, keeping that classic Porsche touch alive. The center touchscreen is now a 10.9-inch high-resolution display, running Porsche's latest infotainment system with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The interface is quick, responsive, and seamless. Gone is the traditional gear lever, and now we have this small toggle shifter, freeing up space for a cleaner layout. And the seats, they're supportive yet comfortable, making long drives an absolute pleasure. Now, some might think a 911 is just a weekend toy, but in reality, it's surprisingly practical. The front trunker or frontal offers 4.6 cubic feet of storage, enough for a weekend getaway bag or groceries. And because it's a 2+2 coupe, you get small rear seats, which are, let's be honest, are better suited for extra luggage than passengers. But in a pinch, they work for short trips. Alright, so how much does all of this excellence cost? The 2025 Porsche 911 Carrera S starts at around $130,000, but with options like carbon ceramic brakes, premium leather, and performance upgrades, you can easily push it past $150,000. So, is it worth it? If you're looking for a sports car that blends performance, heritage, and daily usability, the 911 Carrera S is nearly impossible to beat. It's a true driver's car, a timeless masterpiece that continues to define what a Porsche 911 should be. Is the 911 Carrera S the perfect sports car, or would you choose something else? Let me know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more exciting car content. Until next time, drive safe and stay passionate.